This is a review of the GR Fishia eyewear sunglasses that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package and show you guys these sunglasses themselves. And I believe these are in a pair. And without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so these are the sunglasses themselves, and we got everything out of the package. And you can see one of the few things I love about these pair of sunglasses and the pair of two is that they come with the microfiber cloth. It comes with this the towel, the pretty much to store it inside if you're not using these sunglasses. Now I do want to say these sunglasses themselves, they are really beautiful and high quality. I love the orange, the way how this changes colors, the orange yellow finish it has. It looks really outstanding and marvelous. And I usually wear this one right over here, the black one. The black one looks really nice with every single thing. And one thing I love about these pair of sunglasses is that you can use them for your, when you're driving. When you're driving a bicycle, it's pretty much used for jogging. You could pretty much use it for cycling and any outdoor activity you could be using this for. And I usually use the black one right over here when I, pretty much drive my car. As you guys know, when you're driving and you don't want to, the sun to get in your eyes and pretty much get your eyes damaged. So sunglasses is something important to have. And these ones right over here, one thing I love about these sunglasses is that you can wear them over your existing glasses. So if you wear a pair of already some prescription glasses, you can wear these on top of that, which is really nice because as you open this up, it really has a big, font, like a pretty much a space. It's really spacious in the inside. And you can pretty much wear your sunglasses and not know that you're wearing glasses on top of your sunglasses. So that's really neat, and I love about these sunglasses compared to other ones. Other ones, you have to pretty much take your glasses off, but while these ones, you don't have to do that. But yeah, other than that, the quality of these glasses are really amazing. I love how it has a matte finish on the back side of it. And the way how they look like the orange and yellow finish is really beautiful that you can see right over here. But yeah, I would definitely recommend these sunglasses if you're pretty much driving, cycling, jogging, or doing any outdoor activities. Then these pair of sunglasses is something I would highly recommend. And another thing, like I told you guys, I love about is that it comes with these pretty much these cloths, towels. So when you're done, you store them up and put them inside, and it comes with a pair of two of these towels, the napkins, so pretty much clean up the lens and wipe it off. But yeah, I would definitely recommend these pair of sunglasses if you're looking for a new set of sunglasses. Then these ones are probably one of the best sunglasses that you could get.